Many customers will ask, my paste is high in viscosity and high in solid content. If the filter is blocked, the whole production line will stop. Manual maintenance costs a lot of money and time. Do you have any solutions?
Feature-Tec's Dycera rotating ceramic membrane filtration system is based on the application of special ceramic nanomembranes. The system uses the dynamic flow filtering principle. The high-speed rotation of the disc generates a stream. The particles shake off the disc surface under the influence of centrifugal force. The clear liquid penetrates the film surface and enters the center tube. The disc surface remains crystalline. Feature-Tec's ceramic disc has a three specification: 150 mm, 200 mm, and 312 mm. The filtering media ranges from 30 nanometers to 2 micrometers. It can be used for high concentration, high filter efficiency, and greatly reduced energy consumption. Compared with traditional tube discs, Feature-Tec's fine filter is small and in the operator in a low-pressure state. The cost of operating the device is low and the lifetime is long. Feature-Tec is also widely used in the fields of lithium battery, chemical engineering, food, medicine, and high-end water treatment. Solve the problem of high-yield, high-content paste filter clogging. It can be combined with self-clearing to achieve full automated solid-late separation. It is used for processors such as paste filtering and rinsing. After filtering, the clear liquid is measured and the contrast is obvious. According to different factory requirements, we can provide you with a customized set of solutions. For more than 20 years, Feature-Tec has been focusing on the field of filter separation. It has always put safety and reliability at the forefront and has achieved tens of thousands of evolution cases. The future of the green energy industry is to guard a beautiful life.